Hello, JDC here. How are you today? Wherever you may be in the world, I hope you are doing amazing. I want to share with you something that is a real misconception with a lot of people, right? Like meal prepping, like it's expensive. Probably because they've been speaking to people who use ingredients or foods that are indeed expensive. But it doesn't have to be that way because there's other foods that are not expensive but that they are really healthy for you, right? So I want to give you kind of like an example that if you prep, you can have three separate meals throughout the day for essentially the price of a Big Mac in a McDonald's, which is the worst food you can get, right? So look at it this way, right? You can get lentils. Lentils are underrated. I mean, they're high in protein. They're awesome for energy. Now, you don't want to eat lentil every day, but that's just one example. You can do so many, right? I can share with you tons of them. But I want to give you an idea that it doesn't have to be this elaborate, expensive thing that you can do. So, take the lentils. It comes in a little bag. You can go to Walmart, buy it for like 98 cents or something like that, right? And then you can essentially do two meals of that, one day and another one next week if you wanted to do it that way, right? Prep it really good, put some condiments in there. You could put tomatoes and other things with spices and really make it tasty, right? You can do that. And then for the mornings or mid-afternoon, you can do a nice protein shake, and it doesn't have to be boring. Now, you may think, well, the protein costs money. Well, it doesn't, right? You can buy a big one like this for like 14 servings, and maybe $3 a serving or something like that. And it can last you the whole month if you do one a day. So imagine that, right? So you're not even at $5 yet, and you have two meals already. Then you can take eggs, which are what? You get eggs, like a dozen of eggs, and it costs you what? $1.98, $2. And do two or three eggs, high protein right there. And then you can spice it up with different spices and make it happen. And so now you have three meals right there. And then you get into a fitness exercise program. Like, the point I'm trying to make to you is that it doesn't have to be elaborate. It doesn't have to be complex. It could be simple and inexpensive. You can do it in a student budget, or I don't want to say this, but in a broke adult budget. So if you're like, oh my God, I'm always broke. Look, you have no excuse. You can still do it, right? You can still meal prep. And the power about meal prepping is that you're not going to be reactive. You can actually follow the plan and get to your health goals versus if you didn't do it. Now, a lot of people are asking me all the time about a meal plan, and that's cool, but here's the problem. If you don't meal prep, most likely you're gonna falter. You're gonna fall out of the wagon. Eventually, you're gonna be like, oh, I forgot to do it. Oh my God, right? And this is how humans we are, right? So to prevent that meal prep, all you gotta do is go to the fridge, take it, and if you gotta go to work, get yourself a little cooler, hang around with it, and then just take it with you and voila, heat it up. I don't know. Or eat it cold. The thing is the results. What are you after? What are your goals? Are you serious about your health? Are you serious about your fitness? Are you serious about your longevity? Because if you are, these are the things that you would do and you wouldn't put an excuse about it, right? I'm simplifying it for you. Now, by the way, if you want my 10-minute recipes, right, I have like tons of them, but I have 5 favorite. I could even send you 10. If you want, just 10 minutes, boom, you can prep your entire week like this, right? Just let me know, send me details or give me the recipes or whatever you want to put there that I can get it for you. I'll send you a link where you can get it and enjoy them. Also, if you're looking to try my 21-day fitness and nutrition program where I customize your eating, I customize your fitness based on your goals, because not every exercise is good for everything, right? You have to be specific for certain things. We're going to restructure your whole body, right? If you want that, you want to try it out for 21 days, send me details and we'll have a chat. Go over your specific goals, see if it's a good match for you, and we'll get it done, all right? Hope this was helpful. You have an amazing day. If you're watching live, put live. If it's a replay, put replay, and then share with somebody that you care that might benefit from what we offer here, right? So have an amazing day. This is JDC, and I'll speak to you on the next one.